Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a very interesting Photoshop alternative that you can use over any browser and it's totally free of cost. So in order to do that, just simply open any browser over your platform. You can even use it over your smartphones as well. Now here in the search bar you need to search Photopea. Once you do that, you can see a website appear right in front of you. Over this top website, just simply tap over here. Once you do that, you can see sim- a interface similar to Photoshop will appear right in front of you. From here, you can upload your image and start editing the way you edit over Photoshop, and it's totally free. You can see all the tools that are on Photoshop, all the settings are here only. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.